Hey Justin, just wanted to send over this quick video. I know you're busy, this won't take long. I just think that there is an opportunity you might be missing out on, just to bring in some more clients into your office each month. If I go over here to Google and I type in lawyer Odessa, Texas, there's going to be a lot of law offices that pop up here onto the first page. Unfortunately, we had to go all the way back to, I think it was the sixth or the seventh page to find your law office. Now, as you can imagine, not a lot of people are scrolling past the first page. In fact, about 90% of people stop their searches at the first page. So you can imagine how many people are actually getting to the sixth or the seventh page on Google. Now, but the real interesting thing is there's hundreds, if not thousands, of searches for attorneys in Odessa, Texas. We have this keyword tool that we use that just shows us exactly how many people are searching, the search volume basically for specific keywords. So if I type in lawyer in Odessa, Texas, 480 searches each month, different variations in the 300s or 400s. If I type in attorney in Odessa, Texas, almost 400 searches each month. So like I said, hundreds if not thousands of people looking for attorneys on Google each month in Odessa. And if you're not showing up on page one, you're probably not being found, and all those searches are being funneled into your competitors here. So there are a lot of factors that Google uses to index and rank its websites on its search engines. I just wanted to share the number one factor Google uses, and that's backlinks. And backlinks are basically just links from other sites pointing back to your sites, and Google sees these as votes. So the more votes you have from other sites to yours, the higher it's going to rank you. The more trustworthy, the more authoritative your website seems. If we go over to this tool, it's called Majestic. We can see that you only have one backlink, and that's giving you this trust flow of a 2 right here. And the trust flow is basically just the quality and the amount of backlinks that your website is getting. If we go over to one of your competitors and put them in here to Majestic, Scholl Law Firm, we can see that they have a total of 6 backlinks, which is really helping out their trust flow. And that's why when I type in lawyers in Odessa, Texas, they're popping up right here on page 1. So the more backlinks you can get, the more authoritative and trustworthy those backlinks are. The higher Google's going to rank you because your trust flow is going to be higher. And an easy way to do this is if you go over to some of your competitors, type them into here on Majestic, and you can see which backlinks they're getting. You can see which websites are pointing back to theirs. You can actually go to those websites and just link back to your website from those websites as well. And you can do them for any of your competitors here on Google. But anyways, that's backlinking in a nutshell. There are other factors that Google uses to rank its websites. If that's something that you'd be interested in knowing more about, I'd love to have 15-20 minutes. We can talk about it, see what your goals are for your office, if you're looking to take on more clients, if being on the first page of Google is something that you'd be interested in. I'd love to talk about it. Again, my name is Sean Nelson. I work for a company called OEI Digital, and we've helped a lot of companies get to the first page and increase their leads and the clientele that they're receiving each month. So anyways, I don't want to take up any more of your time. If this is something that you'd like to talk about, I'd love to schedule a time that we could, maybe sometime this week. But you can give me a call back at 432-287-7788, or just reply to this email and we will get back to you. We appreciate it. Thanks, Justin.